Microorganism. Micro means very tiny and organism means living being. So microorganism is a living being that is too small to be seen with naked eye. So we used microscope to see microorganism. That's why they are also known as microscopic organism. Microorganisms are found everywhere like in the soil, water and air. Some examples of microorganisms are virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, etc. Microorganisms are beneficial as well as harmful to us. First we discuss about the how these organisms are beneficial to us. First is bacteria. Most bacteria are decomposers. They decompose plant and animal waste and release mineral into the soil and carbon dioxide into the air. A bacteria that is named Rhizobium, it draws nitrogen from the air and convert into the ammonia, and this nitrogen which is converted into the ammonia was further taken up by the plants. Bacteria helps in digestion. Bacteria present in the cow and goat help to digest the cellulose present in their gut. Also the bacteria in our intestines help in the digestion of the food. Certain bacteria are used to make antibiotics. Some bacteria are used in the production of ethyl alcohol, butanol and some organic acids. Bacteria are also used to make enzymes. Enzymes are living catalysts which is present in our body and they help in chemical changes occurs in our body. Next is vitamins. It also helps to make vitamins, hormones. Hormones are the secretion of our glands which is present in our body like a liver, thyroid gland, pancreas, etc. And it also used in the production of proteins and other useful biochemicals. Biochemical means the chemical which is present in the living body. Some bacteria are useful in making food like lactic acid bacteria ferment sugar to produce a lactic acid. Milk is fermented some kind of lactic acid bacteria such as lactobacillus, and this lactobacillus bacteria help to produce curd, cheese, buttermilk, etc. Certain types of bacteria are used for curing of tea and coffee, and some bacteria are probiotics. Probiotic means the bacteria which give health benefits when eaten. So they are sold as a food supplements, and they are sold as a food supplement in the form of tablets and capsule. Like bacteria, fungi also useful for us. It decomposes the organic matter and release nutrients in the soil. The fungus named Penicillium. It is a useful fungi which is used for the production of antibiotic, and the name of antibiotic is penicillin. It was first produced by Alexander Fleming in 1940. Fungi is used in making food. For an example, yeast. It is used for the production of wine, other alcoholic beverages, bread, idli, dosa and many other fermented food. It also produces proteins and vitamins. A fungi named Saccharomyces cerevisiae, a kind of yeast which ferments sugar to produce carbon dioxide, and this yeast is added to the dough for making bread. So for this, the yeast act on the sugar present in the dough and produce carbon dioxide and ethanol. The carbon dioxide rises through the dough, making the dough rise, and this makes the bread soft and fluffy. We also have the edible varieties of fungi. For an example, mushroom, button mushroom and oyster mushroom. Both are the edible mushroom and they are good sources of protein, vitamins and dietary fiber. We also used fungi in probiotic food items. It means they also provide a benefit to our health when they are eaten.